That's it! Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Show Cranky where the blue cargo car with the picture of an orange. There you go. Thomas went through the countryside. Suddenly, Thomas had to stop. He would have to go another way. Find the track that goes nearest to the smallest haystack. All clear. Thomas puffed proudly into Knapford Station. With your help, he was right on time. Play again. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. James must deliver the luggage to Knapford Station. Help Cranky find the luggage. Wait a minute, we're looking for a different one. Help Cranky find the luggage. Pick another one. Help Cranky find the luggage. Wait a minute, we're looking. You found it! Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Show Cranky where the white coach with the picture of a blue gear is. Wait a minute, we're looking. That's not the right one. Help! You found it! Huffing and puffing, James set out for Knapford Station. Suddenly, the tracks were blocked. James had to stop. He needed to go a different way. Show James the track that goes under the shortest bridge. James puffed proudly into Knapford Station. With your help, he was right on time. Play again. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. Choose. Diesel must deliver the slate to the Sodor Search and Rescue Centre. Help Cranky find the slate. You found it! Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Help Cranky find the orange flatbed with the picture of a... There you go. Diesel set out for the Sodor Search and Rescue Centre. Suddenly, Diesel had to stop because of track repairs. He needed to go a different way. Find the track that goes nearest to the smallest haystack. Let's go! Diesel arrived proudly at the Sodor Search and Rescue Centre. With your help, he was right on time. Play again. It's a busy day at Brendam Docks. Thomas and his friends have many deliveries to make. Den must deliver Flynn's hose to the Sodor Search and Rescue Centre. Help Cranky find Flynn's hose. Hold on, we're looking for something else. That's not what we're looking for. Help Cranky find... Hold on, we're looking for something else. Wait a minute, we're looking for a different one. Show Cranky where. Try again. Help, that's it! Let's lift and load. Now the cargo must be loaded. Help Cranky find the purple flatbed with a yellow number 8. You found it!